Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra and trigonometry. The topic that is about we need to prove about this equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have the formula in here. That should be about a minus b, everything to the power of 2. And this one equals to cosh of s minus sinh of s, everything to the power of 2. Next, we have the second formula in here. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. Now e to the power of s minus e to the power of s, they cancel. This one minus negative e to the power of negative s. We have number 2e to the power of negative s over number 2. So number 2 divided by number 2, they cancel. And now we have the final answer. Number 2 multiplied by negative s. And now we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.